Hi everyone, my name is Costa Vitar, and welcome to our new Iris Prism Challenges and Solutions video series, where we'll be addressing multiple issues that users in Prism could be facing in month end, or other project controls users, basically using any system, uh, part of the project management. So what we try to do in these series is to show you how we can address these issues using Iris Prism, various products, and well, explore the various solutions. So let me get started, share my screen. Today we're gonna, the first topic is going to be about reporting. So we're gonna talk about how to use report batches, basically with Iris Prism. So what is the challenge here? What are we talking about? The challenge is that every month, controllers, we're having to produce multiple cost and change and contract reports at the end of the month for different PMs and executives. You have to go and run each one manually. When you're talking about multiple projects, each compilation of reports, let's say this is the monthly reports, could consist of 10 unique reports for one project. So imagine if you have 10 projects, 10 reports each as a minimum. That's 100 different reports, 100 different clicks that you have to go through in that system to run these various reports, right? That's the challenge. And that's assuming you're using a system, you're not using Excel. In Excel, it's going to be worse. So what can we do to solve this challenge with just one click? I'm going to open Prism. And what I'm going to do is first, I'm going to show you how I can run a project batch. So a project batch, that is a compilation of multiple reports, as you can see here on the screen. I have the monthly report. I've selected 6 unique reports that I want to run. At the end of the month, all I need to do is come here and create PDF. That is all I'm going to do. And when it's run, I can just view the reports and explore the results. So here I can see an executive summary, an overall curve basically for the project, schedule milestones and narratives and statistics on CPI and SPI and so on. If I keep going, a curve for every different phase. Well, that's what I selected, right? It could be anything. We're not focusing a lot on the content. The idea is that you can select what you want, basically, on those reports, and you can view them on the screen. Again, it was just one click. So if I wanted to do it here, let's see. This is a monthly report for Simon. And all I need to do is just select any of my pre-configured reports. Right, so how to configure an individual report, how to set it up the first time, we can discuss that in another video. But basically here, I have the Freedom Aging report, let's say. Here, various explanations, whatever. You can select whatever you want. You can control the order of the reports, what goes first, where you want to extract it. These reports in particular, you just hit create PDF. So now I just need to wait. 5 different reports are going to be produced. Now these are specific to this project because I'm running a project batch. Now we let it run. It shows you on the screen that it's going through each report. I finished the first 2 reports. It's worth the wait. It was less than a minute. It shows me the batch has been completed, and I can just click on the report and I can see what is. That was the first page. The second page is other curve, field performance, and this curve, and so on. Aging payments, price explanation. Right, so whatever you choose, you're going to see. That was at the project level. Now imagine you have 10 projects. You want to do the same thing, but enterprise batch. Enterprise reports already are spread across multiple projects. So what I can do here is I have a program monthly report with 9 different reports that will show me data from multiple projects could be grouped by program. So in this example, I just select an enterprise batch. And again, you create PDF. That's it, one click. Now I've run this before this video, and I can see my projects are organized by program. And I can show the detail if I wanted to, so it doesn't all have to be high level project here. And then again, this is an overall curve for the entire program. And then each project individually. You can select a combination, doesn't matter, performance reports, and so on and so on. Multiple different reports, curve from the field module, from change module, change order logs, you name it. Now, that was it really. If I wanted to create an enterprise batch, it's the same thing. It's just exactly what we did earlier. Just select the reports that you're happy with, and then you just select it directly and you create PDF. That was it. Now, if you're at PM level or executive, you probably won't be using the desktop application. You will be using the web-based application. So that's Prism Go. Prism Go, here you also have access to the batches. You can select your enterprise batch, for example. You can preview, what this batch will include, what type of reports. And yeah, that's what you want, you just run it. That's it, it's the same thing. And again, it's just one click, whether you're a controller producing this report first to present it to your PM or other stakeholders, or if the PM has direct access to the system, then they can run it themselves. So what is the benefit really? What have we offered? We've offered with this technique a solution to produce comprehensive project monthly reports in one click. You take your time pre-configuring a report once. You don't have to do it again. So you may want, for example, you want to exclude contingency from a performance report. That makes sense. You do it once. Now, when you run the batch, already it's going to take all your filters into account. Or you want to produce a comprehensive program level report. Imagine you having hundreds of projects, not 10 projects, hundreds of projects with tens of reports each. So that's one click. That is a lot of time saved. You can spend your time analyzing the numbers rather than wasting time running each report one by one. And then you also have the ability to visualize basically this data before you give it to your PM as a controller. So that's a lot of data integrity checks, data issues. Some types of reports are specific for data checks, so you can actually view those. Once you visualize the data, it makes a lot of sense. You're looking at, oh, why are my actuals higher than my forecast, for God's sake? So I would have a negative to complete. You will view that to be in red anyway. So you can see these type of issues. If you have any questions, you want to reach out to us, www.arisprism.com. And thank you for your time. Have a great day.